Fabaceae. This family was previously known as Liliaceae. We classify the given plant specimen in the following way and then assign it to its respective family. Classification: Class: Dicotyledonea. Subclass: Polypetalae. Series: Calciflorae. Order: Cohort: Rosalis. Family: Fabaceae or Papilionaceae. Genus: Pisum. Species: Sativum. Pisum sativum is commonly known as green pea. It is a herb that possesses root nodules on the roots. Habit: a herb with root nodules. It has a weak stem, thus it climbs on the support and hence known as a climber. Its leaves are pinnately compound. The upper leaflets of the leaf are modified into tendrils. Tendrils helps to give a support. The leaf is stipulate, that means it bears a stipule. It is also described as foliaceous. The venation of the leaf is reticulate. The flowers are seen in an inflorescence which is called as racemose inflorescence. Every individual flower is complete, bisexual, zygomorphic, hypogynous, hypogynous. That is, every whorl is present in the flower. Both male and female whorls are one and the same flower. Flower does not show bilateral symmetry and hence it is called zygomorphic. The ovary of the flower is superior and hence the flower becomes hypogynous. The accessory whorls are calyx and corolla. The calyx is made up of 5 sepals which are fused. Hence, calyx is described as gamosepalous. The estivation is imbricate. That is, one of the sepal is internal and is overlapped at both margins and one is external, that is, both of its margins overlap. Corolla is made up of 5 petals which are free. Hence, it is described as polypetalous corolla. The corolla is called papilionaceous. This is the distinguishing character of family Fabaceae. Out of the 5 petals, the posterior petal is the largest. It is known as standard petal. The lateral petals are wing-like. They are known as wing petals. The 2 anterior petals are partially fused with each other, forming a boat-shaped structure called keel. The keel encloses parts of essential whorls such as stamens and pistils. Androecium consists of 10 stamens which are arranged in 9+1 arrangement. Stamens are didelphous with diticus anthers. Didelphous means stamens are united by their filaments forming 2 bundles. Dithecus anther is the anther which contains 2 anther lobes connected to each other by connective. Gynoecium is monocarpellary. That is, there is a single carpel. Ovary is superior, having single chamber, that it is unilocular. There are many ovules which show marginal placentation. Fruit of pea is a legume or pod. Thus, to summarize, the distinguishing characters of family Fabaceae are herbs with root nodules, pinnately compound leaves, papilionaceous corolla, didelphous stamens, monocarpellary gynoecium with superior ovary, marginal placentation, Fruit in the form of legume or pod. Family Solanaceae. Second family is Solanaceae. Let us first classify a plant belonging to Solanaceae. Classes: Dicotyledonnae. Subclass is Gamopetalae, that is, petals are fused with each other, forming a tube-like structure. Series: Bicarpetalae, that is, possessing two carpels. Order: Cohort: Polymoniales. Family: Solanaceae. We will learn about Datura alba under family Solanaceae. Thus, the genus is Datura and species is alba. Habit of plants belonging to Solanaceae is that of the shrub, usually a small shrub with taproot. Stem is erect, cylindrical and branched. Leaves are simple, alternate and exstipulate. That is, leaves do not have stipules. Leaves are having reticulate venation. Inflorescence is absent. The flowers are solitary, situated in axillary position. If inflorescence is present, it is cymose. Flower is complete, that is, with all the whorls. Bisexual, that is, androecium and gynoecium are located in the same flower. Flowers are actinomorphic, that is, flower showing radial symmetry. Calyx is made up of 5 sepals. The calyx is gamosepalous, that is, sepals are fused together. It is persistent, that is, will remain with the fruit too. The estivation of the members is valvate. In valvate type of estivation, margins of sepals remain in contact with each other or lie close to each other, but they do not overlap. Corolla is made up of 5 petals. Petals are fused, forming gamopetalous bell-shaped corolla. The estivation of corolla is also valvate. Androecium is made up of 5 stamens. They are described as epipetalous, that is, they are attached to petals. Gynoecium consists of bicarpellary syncarpous ovary. Ovary is superior, bi or tetralocular with many ovules in each locule. The ovules are arranged in an axile placentation. Fruit of Solanaceae is a capsule. Thus, to summarize, the distinguishing characters of family Solanaceae are simple leaves which are exstipulate and arranged in alternate phyllotaxy. Calyx is persistent. Corolla is bell-shaped and gamopetalous. Stamens are epipetalous. Bicarpellary syncarpous gynoecium. Family Liliaceae. The third family which we will study is Liliaceae. Classification. Class: Monocotyledonnae. Series: Coronariae. Family: Liliaceae. Genus: Allium. Species: Cepa. Distinguishing characters of Liliaceae are as follows. Habit of a plant is herb. It has an underground bulb. Leaves are radical, tubular and hollow. Venation parallel. Inflorescence is called umbel. Flower is complete with all the 4 whorls. The flowers are bisexual and actinomorphic. Instead of separate calyx and corolla, there is perianth made up of tepals. Tepals are 6 present in 3+3 combination. They are petaloid with valvate estivation. Androecium is made up of 6 stamens arranged in 2 whorls opposite to the tepals. Gynoecium is tricarpellary, having 3 carpels and syncarpus. Ovary is superior, trilocular with 2 ovules in each locule. Ovules are arranged in axile placentation. Fruit is capsule or berry. Distinguishing characters of family Liliaceae are as follows. Herbs with underground bulbs, radical, linear, exstipulate leaves with parallel venation. Inflorescence is of umbel type. Perianth is made up of 6 petaloid tepals. Stamens are 6 in 2 whorls. Tricarpellary, syncarpus gynoecium.